Good evening, viewers. We welcome you to today's news edition. First, let's take a quick look at the headlines. Prime Minister Modi addresses Joint Commanders Conference in Bhopal. Flags off Bhopal New Delhi Vande Bharat Express. Union Home Minister Amit Shah lays foundation stone for development projects worth 2,414 crore rupees in Mizoram. India's defence exports touch all-time high of 15,920 crore rupees during last fiscal. And Sarod maestro Amjad Ali Khan weaves musical magic in Meghalaya, pays musical tribute to unsung freedom fighters of the state. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is on a day's visit to Bhopal. He is attending the Joint Commanders Conference of the three services, which is being held at Kushabhau Thakre International Convention Centre in Bhopal. The theme of the conference is Ready, Resurgent, Relevant. Commanders of the three services and senior officials of the Ministry of Defence are participating in the conference. Later during the day, the Prime Minister also flagged off the Bhopal-New Delhi Vande Bharat Express. Union Home Minister Amit Shah inaugurated the construction of Assam Rifles' new battalion headquarters at Zokhawsang, which is 15 km away from Aizawl city. He also laid the foundation stone for several other projects worth 2,414 crore rupees, which includes a foundation stone for Landenga Cultural Centre, a smart city project, Aizawl bypass roads and several roadway projects for Aizawl, Champai and Mamit districts.
आज पूरा नॉर्थ ईस्ट शांति, स्थिरता और विकास के नए रास्ते पर आगे बढ़ रहा है। आज एक जमाने में नॉर्थ ईस्ट में उग्रवादी समूहों द्वारा हिंसा थी, रेड, रोड और हवाई संपर्क की कमी थी और डेवलपमेंट का नामो निशान नहीं था। और पिछले 9 साल में मोदी जी के प्रयास से, भारत सरकार के प्रयास से और नॉर्थ ईस्ट की जनता के सहयोग से पूर्वोत्तर में हम शांति ला पाए हैं, कनेक्टिविटी बढ़ाई है और भारत के बाकी हिस्सों जितना ही विकास नॉर्थ ईस्ट में करने में हमें सफलता मिली।
Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh today informed that India's defence exports have reached an all-time high of 15,920 crore rupees in financial year 2022-23. In a tweet, Singh said it is a remarkable achievement for the country. He said under the inspiring leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the defence exports will continue to grow exponentially. Under the joint aegis of National Human Rights Commission and Northeastern University, a 2-day seminar of National Human Rights Commission started in the conference room of Nehru. The theme of the conference is Diverse Perspectives of Human Rights in Literature and Society. Member of the National Human Rights Commission, Dr. Dhyaneshwar Mule, in his address highlighted various aspects of human rights perspective present in Indian literature and society. He said all the traditions in India and saint sages propagating such tradition espoused the principles of oneness of human being, advocated abolition of inequality, untouchability and exploitation.
भाषाओं का अधिकार अपने आप में सबसे बड़ा अधिकार। महात्मा गांधी कहते थे कि a person who does not have his language does not have tongue. जिसकी भाषा नहीं है अपनी, उसकी जो है जिह्वाई नहीं।
Protest rallies were held in two villages, Murab and Minsngat, in the backdrop of the recent murder of Pinkret Surong, as villagers demanded the government and police department life imprisonment for those involved in the murder. Traditional leaders like the headman from Minsngat, Murab, Nartyang and Khanduli villages, local drivers and school students and their teachers participated in the march. As a sign of protest, the rally ended with the burning of the 3 accused individuals' pictures after the meeting. Sarod maestro Amjad Ali Khan weaved musical magic while playing for peace during a program to pay tribute to the unsung freedom fighters of Meghalaya as part of Azadi Ka Amrit Kal to mark 75 years of independence at St. Edmund's College on Friday. Stating that music is a gift of God which unites the world, he played his first number, Raghupati Raghava Rajaram, also known as Ramdhun, in tribute to the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, and hoped that his message of non-violence resonates all over the world. He followed it up instantly with the Raga Durga and other numbers. As the music intensified, the audience joined in clapping along. Along with the whole country, Ram Navami was celebrated in many areas of Shillong city. The idols of Lord Ram, Lakshman and Sita were decorated as devotees offered prayers. Ram Navami is the celebration of the birth occasion of Lord Rama in Ayodhya many centuries ago. The weather report. The maximum temperature was recorded at 18.4 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature 12.1 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 82%, while in the evening it was 67%. Rainfall was recorded at 32.6 millimeter. Forecast: light to moderate rain is very likely to occur at few places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in into our daily bulletin. Before we wrap up, here are the headlines once again. Prime Minister Modi addresses Joint Commanders Conference in Bhopal. Flags off Bhopal-New Delhi Vande Bharat Express. Union Home Minister Amit Shah lays foundation stone for development projects worth 2,414 crore rupees in Mizoram. India's defence exports touch all-time high of 15,920 crore rupees during last fiscal. And Sarod maestro Amjad Ali Khan weaves musical magic in Meghalaya, pays musical tribute to unsung freedom fighters of the state. Well, viewers, that is all we have for you from our newsroom this evening. We will be back tomorrow at the same time with new updates. Till then, good night.
क्यों